Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Mother Prudie Forbidden Grave. In St. Thomas in the 17th century, there was a lady called Mother Prudie whose burial spot in Mount Lebanus has a rather mysterious aura. Whenever people get too close to her grave, the chains start to rattle, and they leave her gravesite with a curse. Some even turn mad. Many believed that she was a witch who performed a lot of signs and wonders in her time. She was most popularly known for riding her horse back way. She even sent kids to do errands, and when they refused, she removed her skin, took on a skeletal form, and mauls them to death. Before she died, she had to confess everything that she did to people. Her stories were so chilling that nobody wanted to bury her.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
They eventually buried her, but placed her coffin into the ground in a standing-up position with many chains around it. Chains are also said to be rooted into the earth as an extra layer of shackle to keep the duppy down. Some say they had to drive a lot of nails into the foot of her corpse to keep her duppy from rising and terrorizing the town. She is widely feared by all who know about her. Not even her oldest living relative is willing to talk about her. To this day, her grave is said to be cursed and is known to sink into the earth at certain times of the year, only to reappear in around August. Elite Jamaica on YouTube has been searching for the popular gravesite, but has never been able to find it. What are your thoughts about Mother Prudie? Comment below.
Follow Jamaican true stories.